In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your DocuSign account email step by step. Whether you've changed jobs, want to use a more professional address, or simply need to switch to a new email, updating your DocuSign email only takes a few minutes if you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can type in apps.docusign.com and log into your account using your current email address and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple DocuSign profiles. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can see your envelopes, documents, and recent activity. Now that you're inside your account, the next step is to access your profile settings. To do that, look toward the top area of the screen where your profile icon appears. Click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control your personal information, security settings, and login details. Once you're on the profile page, you'll see different sections related to your account information. What you want to focus on here is your email address section. Go ahead and click on Email Address. This is where DocuSign stores the primary email associated with your account, and it's also the email used for notifications, document updates, and login purposes. After clicking on Email Address, you should now see your current registered email displayed on the screen. Next to it, you'll find an option labeled Update. Click on the Update button to begin the process of changing your email address. DocuSign will now prompt you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email you want associated with your account. Double-check for any spelling mistakes, because if the email is entered incorrectly, you may not receive the verification message. After entering the new email, confirm the change if prompted. In most cases, DocuSign will send a verification email to your new address. Open your new email inbox, find the message from DocuSign, and click on the confirmation link inside that email. This step is very important because your email change will not be completed until you verify it. Once you've confirmed the new email, return to your DocuSign account settings and refresh the page. You should now see your updated email address listed in your profile. At this point, your login email has officially been changed. Keep in mind that the next time you signed into DocuSign, you'll need to use your new email address instead of the old one. If you use a password manager, it's a good idea to update your saved login details there as well, so you don't run into any login issues later. And that's it. That's exactly how to update your DocuSign account email step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Log in, go to Manage Profile, click on Email Address, select Update, enter your new email, and verify it. Just a few clicks and you're done. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy DocuSign tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.